What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy KashDaKoolDad back again with another video. As y'all can see it, you know, got a little bit of, a little merch on right there, but we ain't gonna talk about that. That's coming soon. But behind us, we have the QX right here, man, the Infiniti, man. And today, bruh, I'm just going through a full detail on my baby, my wife's truck, because, man, the inside is horrible. So without further ado, I'd like y'all to continue to watch, support, subscribe, comment, share, do all the necessary tools to help me be a part of the community for you all. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, give it a thumbs up, comment, share it, sub, and we're gonna grow and we're gonna get this here going. That's the big industrial trash bags. I know I'm gonna need it. That's those body bag trash bags. We're gonna need it for this thing. But like I said, man, hope y'all enjoy this video. If y'all do, stick around for the long haul. Cash Cock detailing will be coming soon, man. Mobile detailing coming soon. But before I even get into the video, man, let's just have a moment of silence for George Floyd, man. That just was outrageous. Being a military man, being a vet, somebody who fought for the country, I think the country needs to have more respect for just each other, man. Regardless of who you are, what you are, your skin color. I think we should all just love each other and have love for each other, man. But we're not gonna get into all that because that's not what my channel is about. My channel is about car product review, car detailing. So hope y'all enjoy this video. Like I said, it's your boy KashDaKoolDad, and we about to get this car clean. Upon opening the door, golly, I don't know what my wife is doing. My wife and all my kids. But they say you can't have a successful business unless you do it on your own vehicles and you understand the do's, the don'ts, the I's, the oohs, the yes, the won'ts, all those different things of, the product that you are using, advertising, sponsoring, the whole shebang. So that was a quick look at the insides. Look at that, puzzle pieces all hanging out. A quick look at the inside, show y'all exactly what we're working with. My videos, I'm unsure if the music overs are what you guys want. So if you guys do love that style, when I time lapse it and allow you guys to see me actually doing the work, but at a speedable time with music in the background. If you all love that, show your love for that in the comment description. In the comment box, and just let me know to keep doing it that way. Because today I'm gonna try something different. That's why I'm going through each door, showing you each section, because I'm gonna try something different this time. I'm gonna just do the YouTube magic, and I'm gonna just go from there, because I have other things that I want to do to this vehicle. So I'm gonna just try to make that a real, I guess, simple, so you guys can see the before and after. See the progress and the process of what I do here at Cash Car Detailing. Like I said, this is it right here, man. But yeah, man, so like I said, but I'm feeling that shirt though. Shout out to, my cousin over at Crave Kaline. You know, they got me right with this here shirt. It's a little rough draft. Not nothing too serious, but, you know, Cash been in the gym. You know, but like I said, trying something different, a new style today. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoy it. But before anything, I just like to say thank you all, man, for real. So without y'all, I wouldn't even have the courage to continue to do this. So I just want to say thank y'all, you know. But this is my canvas for today, you guys. This is my canvas. Guess what? I'm about to get this here going the right way. So I hope you guys, like I say, enjoy this quick edit of the Dirtiest QX Getting Clean by Cash. So we're gonna call this a Cash cleaner. Then I have to do a quick little ceramic coat update. Just have to touch it up. Shout out to Proje. I have a link to the website in my description. Code coming soon. Holla at your boy. But again, man, without further ado, hope y'all enjoy this quick YouTube edit. Alright, so YouTube, I'm back. Just finished after about an hour 30 minutes. That one was locked. But here it is, YouTube. Finished product. I mean, I still have to shampoo some stuff with a wire brush, get it out, but for the most part, my wife will be very excited about this. I gotta get that out of my daughter's car seat, but overall, everything is pretty decent, you know. I did the leather seats. I gave it a little rejuvenation. Let me climb up in here, show y'all the front. Unlock the doors. Had to spray some smell good in here. Like I said, I treated the seats with some leather conditioner, some leather treatment, and cleaned up a whole lot of stuff. Let me show you everything that gotta see. I must have pressed the button up front, but yes, sir. You see that mirror finish? That's from that Proje ceramic coat. Y'all need to get on it. Link will be in the description. Code coming soon. I'm just slinging the doors open. I cleaned the doors. Cleaned the dashboard. Floors. Seats. And that's the circle of motion, you know. Yeah, so that's it. Like I said, that's that mirror shine. Proje. Yep. My wife had some wine in her vehicle. I just was like, what? So let me see what kind that is. This is one. Look pretty good. Moscato. And this is the second one that was in there. Some more just sweet rosé. And this is the last one that my wife had in there. Sweet red. Sweet red. So she had a lot of other things in there. It's just crazy, man, how dirty her vehicle was. But that's what women do, you know. So that's the big trash bag that I had for her vehicle right here. So yep, hope y'all enjoy this transformation of the Dirtiest QX56. If y'all did, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit that red button. You see my shorts red. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that KashDaKoolDad merch. I'm sweating, as y'all can tell. I put in some real elbow grease, man. You know, some real elbow grease. But hope y'all enjoy yourself. And if y'all do, like I said, man, it's your boy KashDaKoolDad with another one. It's my wife's vehicle. We just cleaned it. This is treated with Pro-J ceramic coating. Services will be up. If you need any, just hit me up. Mobile detailing. Again, it's your boy KashDaKoolDad signing out. Peace. Get my wife reaction YouTube from her dirty.
Got all that. I got it real good. All that pile up.
Cheese sticks real good.
I ain't see it like this since I got the truck.
Cheese sticks real good.
Yeah, I've been looking for that. I put my prints on the car.
I ain't worrying about it. That's glass. That's Pro-J glass, baby. That's Pro-J glass, baby.
Yeah, you did good. Good job. I'm about to tip you.
You did last night.
Good. Oh, boy.
I gotta put an age restriction on this video now. Come see this side.
I didn't think some of that stuff would come up. Like them sauces and stuff. You vacuumed the shit out this mug. Oh, yeah.
You know, Cash Car Detailing coming to a city near you. We make your truck, your car, your motorbike, your boat. We make everything look like glass to where at night you get paid, and you know what it is. Yeah, a big beauty over there. You know, I'm telling you, everything in my driveway glass, man. Everything in my driveway is glass, bro. Pro-J. Link will be in the description.